Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. Today I have a small ColourPop haul to share with you. Now last year, I think I placed maybe one ColourPop order all year. I really tried to hold out until their annual Black Friday specials, seeing as how in 2018 I got some really great deals on makeup and brushes. However, I think last year's sale started a little earlier than I was aware of, and by the time I got online, everything that was on my wish list had already sold out, so I totally missed out on that one. A few weeks ago, they sent an email notification about a 25% off site-wide sale, and when I went to check online, most of the things on my wish list were actually in stock, so I decided to jump on that offer instead, and let me show you what I picked out. I've been really enjoying the Just a Tint lip crayon and the blush sticks that I picked up recently from Ulta, so I decided to get another color of each. In the blush sticks, I picked up the shade Splash. It looks kind of bright in this sticker. But it does look more muted in the actual stick itself. That's a couple of swipes. And then I picked up the Just a Tint lip crayon in the shade City of Stars. And I was really going back and forth between this one and Z-Boys, but decided on this one in the end. Here's a closer look at City of Stars. And there's a quick swatch. One thing that I'm noticing immediately is the scent of the Just a Tint lip crayon. I was hoping it would be limited to the other lip crayon I have, and that is a Go-Go, but it really has this kind of cloyingly sweet, kind of gummy bear smell that I don't particularly enjoy, but luckily the scent does dissipate rather quickly. I just have to get over it, I guess. I wanted to get something from the Disney Midnight Masquerade collection, but wasn't totally sold on the eyeshadow palette. Instead, I decided to pick up this Beauty and the Beast Belle bundle. Look at how pretty the packaging is. This contains a luxe liquid lip and a blush. I'm definitely going to be saving this packaging. And there we have the product inside. The Luxe Liquid Lip looks to be a mini size, which is perfect since it's really hard for me to go through an entire lip product. This is in the shade Beast, and it looks like kind of a pinky peachy nude color. And here's a closer look at the blush. This is in the shade Enchanted Mirror, and this is a pressed powder blush. Oh, really soft and pretty. It feels really soft as well. And there's a quick swatch of the blush. And the very last item I picked up was this 9-pan Going Coconuts palette. And I'm not really one for a cool tone palette, but something about the color selection just really spoke to me. So here's a look at the palette. It doesn't seem to be closed that well. Maybe the closure is a little weaker. Oh, or maybe it could be this foam padding inside. So it looks like there is a mirror. Let's take that out and see if it closes any better. Not really. That's a shame, but that color selection is just so pretty. And bonus that there's no pressed powder or pressed glitter shades in this palette. I'm really excited to give this a try. And that'll complete today's small ColourPop haul video. I'm debating starting a new Get Ready With Me series in which I test out new makeup, maybe have some drugstore versions and some luxury versions. Please let me know in the comments down below if that might be something that you'd be interested in seeing, and if you'd like to see me demo any of these products that I mentioned today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Bye!